book or on your iPad or watching TV, they love that you're there. But the moment you're gone, hanapin ko naman nila.
Parang they want you to be there in case they need you.
Yes,
in case they want
to sit on your lap,
to be with you or like
yes.
cuddle or whatever.
Yes. You have to follow their schedule.
Like a kitty.
Although si Igor nga, like I said, acts more like a dog. Si Igor literally will not leave my side. Parang
Iba
dog.
naman yun.
Hindi siya, wala siyang me-time. So if I'm on the bed, either nakapatong siya sa chest ko or nakahiga siya. Pero kailangan, tsaka minsan nakahiga yan, pero yung tail niya nakadikit sa akin. Or yung leg niya nakadikit sa akin. Very clean. And from Duchess Gemma, what's stopping you from being a successful content creator? Bashers. Kulang pa ako sa lakas ng loob. Oh, you will never get it.
And the bigger you get, the more bashers, right?
If you can't handle bashers, forget like career, like influencing social media, because you will get it. Oh my gosh.
But even the biggest, content creators, like some people point out that they delete comments.
They do, and it's their right.
And it's their right,
It's
absolutely. Pero
their
alam mo yun, even these people who have been in the game for a long time aren't impervious to like all the bashing that they get. So yeah, it still affects them, and I guess that's why a lot of them still delete all the negative comments.
Yeah. Kasi ano yan like I don't get that. Sometimes merong magpa-call out sa'yo for deleting comments. Like,
it's your account.
Like if it's your account and somebody says, oh, you're effing ugly, why would you keep it there? You know?
And it also encourage the other bashers as well.
Exactly. So sa akin parang like, of course you have every right. Why would you leave a comment that's hurtful, that's insulting to you? Even if, let's say, ang argument, but it's true, so what? It's my account.
Yeah.
I don't want to see negativity.
Yeah.
Diba? Why would you have every right to put that there, to comment on, but I have every right to remove it.
Yeah.
So,
and block you.
And block you.
Yeah.
Because they say that when you remove it, hindi na authentic. Some people say that.
Right? Hindi authentic. Right? So, the top.
The top entry, number one.
Okay, this is a little raw. Okay, it comes from Anti-Sedulous.
Anti-Sedulous.
The serious end. What's stopping you from having a girlfriend? Well, the idea that I will never be enough for whoever I'll fall in love with. Maybe it's my trauma, maybe it's my ego, or maybe I just haven't found someone who would want me just for me.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's tough to deal with. Kasi parang, who says you're not?
Only
That's
you
coming from
get
you.
to decide that.
Right? So, kung this girlfriend that's not even there yet, you're already assuming that you're not enough for them.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi naman sila yung nagsasabi nun.
It's been a really heartbroken person.
Yeah, because if that's your experience from the past,
Yeah. It's your
minsan,
trauma talk.
it's your trauma talk. It's not necessarily what is the case. It's possible, yes, it could happen, but hindi pa naman nangyayari.
Yeah. Pinangungunahan ng takot.
Yes. So there you go. We do have another giant numberless batch coming right up, but we will stay on Facebook Live.
So if you're not there yet, please join us. Facebook.com/RX931. Also YouTube and Twitch at RX931 for both. More music now. So this is Lotto. Big Mama. Only on the Monster.